Hi, my name is Adrian, and this is my husband, Mark.
Hello.
We do-it-yourself projects for our home to save money.
And here are a few examples.
Our next project is installing a penny floor.
Well, this is really her project. I'm just kind of helping her as needed. So I'll see you a little bit later in the video. Bye-bye.
Oh, okay. Bye. Okay, I guess he's out. That's okay, because he does come in and help me whenever needed. So anyway, I'm so excited. I'm going to pretty much do this project on my own. This is something I've always wanted to do, and I hope you enjoy the video. And if you install a penny floor or do anything remotely close to that, please comment below and let me know your successes. We painted this an auburn color, and this is where my penny floors are going to go. So the most important ingredient for this project are pennies. So I saved some pennies over time, but then realized you can literally go to the bank and ask for some pennies. So that's what I did to add to my collection. Okay, so these are the supplies you're going to need when doing this project, and it's pretty much in this order. Okay, now it's time to lay my pennies, and the hard part is determining where you want to start. Okay, as you can see, I got my first line done. I stopped here at the line where the vanity ends. And we don't want too much glue, because then it's going to be coming up the sides, and when we get to the point of grouting, you're going to have all this glue sticking up, and we don't want that either. Okay, I've made huge progress here. So what I've done, I've marked the middle of the room. I have a silver penny that I found years ago, and I'm going to at the very least put that silver penny right in the middle. Here's my silver penny. Not cool. So I'm going to make a design. I took an array of dark pennies. Okay, well, here's my progress. This is like day 3. Okay, so here is the finished look of my pennies. I'm really happy about how it turned out. I think it looks great. I'm ready to grout. Scrape, redistribute, scrape again, just to make sure that it's in there good. Okay, like I said, my husband's gonna help me. So, what are we doing? How do we measure how we do the thin coat?
We're doing an initial first coat, a thin coat, to seal and help reduce the bubble.
Okay, I'm done. I did it. I'm happy with it. Round 2. We're going to repeat the process that I did yesterday with my husband, and we're just going to spread it thick, and that's it. See you in a bit. 45 minutes in, out of nowhere, a leak. A leak. A leak from this. So I'm hiring Igor. You guys get to meet Igor. He's coming tomorrow and he's gonna fix our floors.
Sometimes a little bit, not but
Okay, so this is Igor. Say hi, Igor. Not Igor, Igor. He is coming to our rescue.
Igor or Igor, each one.
Okay, it is not pronounced Igor or Igor. It's Igor.
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 Yeah.
All right. Now, after sanding, you're putting acetone.
Never mix epoxy with this kind of stick. But because I tape and it's good because epoxy is gonna stay with me. Move here, move here like this. You move, mix everything. And
So he fixed our floors. It looks amazing. Thank you, Igor. Well, there you have it. No question that I ran into some issues, but it ultimately led to a beautiful penny floor. I'm trying to convince my husband to remodel our master bath and closet. If you'd like, go ahead and subscribe to build pressure. Good luck with your home project endeavors, and thank you for watching. Hi, I'm Adrienne, and this is my husband, Mark.
Here are a few examples.
You just watched a preview of my penny floor project. If you're interested in seeing more details, some of the challenges I encountered, with solutions of course, some helpful hints, and I've even thrown a few surprises, go ahead and click the link below and you'll get the full version. Thanks and enjoy.